Hello, today we will guide you through how to add course content on Whop. To get started, open Whop and go to the home page. This is the main dashboard where you can access your spaces, apps, and business tools. If you are already signed in, you should land here automatically. If not, simply log in first and then continue from the home screen. Once you are on the home page, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. In that sidebar, click on the business workspace you want to update. In this example, the workspace is labeled Sample Business, but in your account, the name may be different. This step is important because course content has to be added inside the correct business or community area. Before clicking, it is always a good idea to quickly confirm you are selecting the right workspace so your content ends up in the correct place. After opening the business area, find and click the Add App option. This is where Whop lets you expand your workspace by adding new tools and features. If you do not yet have a course area set up, this is the point where you begin creating it. Next, look for the course app in the App options. You may need to scroll a little or browse through the available app list depending on how your screen is arranged. Take your time here and make sure you select the course-related option, since that is the tool you will use to organize and deliver your course content. When you find it, click Add. This will begin the setup process for the course app inside your business workspace. Adding the app connects the course feature to your Whop environment so you can start building out lessons, modules, or other educational material from there. From this point, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Whop may guide you through a few prompts, configuration options, or setup screens. These instructions can vary slightly depending on your account or workspace settings, so the best approach is to carefully read each screen before moving forward. If you see options related to naming the course, organizing sections, or confirming where the app should appear, make your selections based on how you want your course to be structured. And that's it. Once the setup is complete, your course app will be ready for you to begin adding content directly inside Whop. Following these steps helps ensure the course is added in the right place and set up properly from the start.